Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to present the Wondershare recovery app. As you can see, we can recover delete our lost photos, videos, documents and emails. We can recover data from hard disk, SD drive, etc. USB and other things up to 100 megabytes of files without paying. We have deletes, file recovery, SD card recovery and other things like hard disk, etc. Photos, files, as I said before. We can recover from plenty of options here, and we can recover audios, emails and videos as well. So as you can see, we have here an SD card full of things, and we have a USB drive as well. We will be showing you how to recover if you delete these accidentally, or you format your SD card or USB drive. As you can see, we are deleting here these things that we have in our SD card, and we are formatting our USB drive. So we will see in both ways how to recover things, if they will be recovered. So we will see here. We are back at the Wondershare recovery, and here you can free download your setup for Windows. As you can see, we have here install. We have here the setup for Windows. You can install it for iOS as well. As you can see, the setup is coming. So here you can choose your hard disk or device. We have here we can choose external device, select location and advanced recovery, which we will see all in one part. We have here select a location to start recovery file, so you can choose the location to start it. As you can see, we have all our folders here, and we will choose the one that we deleted, and we will see if they will be recovered. So here, as you can see, you have to choose these options. So you have your options in your computer, not like us. We have here the advanced recovery, which we can use, but we will not use this time. Here we have the SD card we selected, and here we will see all the files. Here we will start to scan our SD card, and you can see that the scan is completed. It found some of the things that are lost, and now we can preview it, and the files that are larger than 30 megabytes are not available for preview. So you have to select some of the things that you don't need and the things that you need, so you can recover them from your SD card. You can see here with the preview we have this short video, and you can see that this was deleted. Now it's playing with full version of it and without losing his resolution. So here you can select in the left the photos, videos, all the things that was lost. You can see the photos that was deleted. We can select which one do we want to recover. Press recover here. Just one file. We can choose where to recover. As you can see, one of one, so just one file, and you can see that the photo is recovered without any problem, and very fast method. Now we will choose here some of the things that we want. So we have a few things here. Select which folders do you want to recover. Press recover, and you can see you have again to choose where or in which folder you want to recover these things. So we have 12 things at the same time recovering, and you can see how fast it recovers the photos, and they are in full version that they were before, so they didn't lose their quality or nothing else. you can see they opens up without any problem. So this was the recovery mode for deleted things. You can see here the short videos, subscribe to our channel, and we have a long video, 6-minute video, which shows us that is recovered without any problem. So in both ways, photos or videos, short or long, you can recover it. So it's not a big problem, and Wondershare it's working pretty good for now. Now we are back at the Wondershare recovery mode here. We are choosing another USB to scan. As you can see, the USB that we format is scanning, and after this scan we should see the things that they were deleted. You can see 99% and the scan is completed. You can see 840 files are found, and we can go ahead in these folders, choose what we want to recover from our lost device. So this was the device that we formatted, so we know you can recover things even if you delete or you format your device. We have here some of the pictures that we took before, and we can select them like we did in the previous SD card. Select the things that we want to recover, or preview here what do we want to recover. The videos as well, you can see it right here again, the 4K video, and the resolution is still as it was. And that is a very good benefit that we can say in the Wondershare app. You can see we are selecting some of the pictures that we want to recover it, and some of the sounds or audio. Also we are recovering some word things. So press recover, choose the folder that you want to recover, and one of the 50 are recovering 50 files at the same time. So we have audio, documents, photos and videos. You can see here one audio that we recovered is playing. It's not the short one either. We have documents here, PDF, and you can see the documents is recovered same as it was. We have one document from Word. Again, it opens up without any problem. We have the photo again from this device, and the quality is still the same. You can see all the photos are opening, so we don't have any problem until now. So that means the Wondershare recovery app was working pretty good. All the short videos, long videos are recovering, and you can see the 4K video recovered again, and his quality remains the same. So this was the Wondershare recovery method. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, the link will be down in the description to download this app. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another device.